Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, I'm watching you right now. I can see you with my own eyes. I see you and you, or you and you and you and you and you and you. A whole room full. No, I'm kidding. I don't. I'm sorry. I don't. I didn't want you to think I can see you like I'm hacking you. No, I'm not. Um, it's just me blabbering for, let's say, 15 minutes. All right. So I'll set my counter as 15 seconds. You ready? See this one? Here's another subject. This fingers, which is my left hand, cannot snap. It does, but it's a muted snap. It's like not real. This one, oh, you like that, huh? That's my camera for you. It's an older camera. It's set to autofocus right now. That's why you hear all this tickering noises. It's trying to connect to the window. Whoops. The window, green screen, and my face. It's trying to autofocus. It's saying, you're way back here. I can't focus on you. So it's trying to. So now I'm going to sit forward. You can see me a little better, right? You might need glasses, right? Yeah, I'm talking to you. And I said this on my other video. I don't like to look at the lens because I don't want to look at you. I want to look at myself. I always say that. I don't know why. We're coming on to 13 seconds, or 13 minutes, I mean. What else do I want to say? Oh, my other channel had about 132,000 views for a lot of Michael Jackson clickbait. My new channel, which is the one I'm on right now, the one you're watching, has just entered its 2,000 views for 23 subscribers. That's pretty good on its fresh start when I started in September. That's crazy. I just started this channel and I'm already getting 2,000 views. That's pretty good. But yeah, this is comment down below how many of you have a channel and you sit there and burp during your video and then you go, you know what? I might edit that out, I might not. How many of you guys do that? None of you? Alright, I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I hope you like the last collection of December 2nd Grand Theft Auto recording. I'm gonna do more of those. I'm gonna do episodes of Grand Theft Auto where I start off with crashes during my gameplay. I mean, it automatically connects or records my crashes on top of me recording. So I'm going to go ahead and do that every once in a while. So I'm going to see you guys. What's that for? What is that for, yawns? Comment down below again how many times I yawn. I'm not going to watch it and collect all of the yawns. I thought about it. No. And also, you might notice... No. Does my voice sound the same? I don't know. I'm feeling like my voice is a more voice like this, you know, like dark or deeper instead of my high-pitched voice. Like, what up, you guys? You know, something like that. Yeah. And another thing, I know I'm going into 8 minutes, or 16 minutes right now. Wow, I haven't done a long vlog like this in a long time. I might do a world record vlog, you know, for myself. I mean, I know there's been other vlogs where they do it for 34 minutes, which I might do because I'm going to talk until I can't talk anymore. Um, the reason why I love this room is because it's away from my parents. Sorry, guys, I lost my train of thought. I was going to say something, but then I can't say something because of YouTube. But, anyways, um, 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 uh, sorry, I'm looking around my room. What am I going to say? I don't know. Maybe I might stop the video. Huh. Oh, do you like Pepsi or do you like Coke? Coca-Cola, you know, Coca-Cola. Comment down below if you like Coca-Cola. Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Maybe I might do a part 1, part 2, part 3 in this little video. I'm going to do it one by one and release it to the world. What I was saying before, I yawned and burped and all that other stuff. Oh my god. What I was saying before I just yawned for the 5th time, probably. Um, I'm all the way in another room, way out of my parents' hearing range before they go to bed. Um, I said this in the video. I think I still have it on here. Um, I was standing over there, which is that cabinet right there with the stickers, right? I was standing. I had my my phone, or not my phone, this camera on there, and I was talking, and I was like, "Yeah, I love this room because I can sit here and talk to you guys like this." Oh, I said this in another channel when I used to talk like this all the time. Um, my word of advice is each time you're done talking, um, make sure that you stop for 10 seconds or 7 seconds. I do it 7 because that's my favorite number. Um, you stop for 7 seconds so you know when to hit stop in your video editing. That's a big idea or big editor um, teach tool. 7 seconds before you start, 7 seconds before you end. That way you know where to hit end and then add it to the internet. So this will be 11 minutes now. You know what? I got all night. Maybe I can talk until this tape dies. Or the timer dies. I can sit here and talk to you guys. So we'll do that. You ready?